friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing great. Walgreens deals. We're going to go through some must-do deals, and then we're going to look at deals that are just conceptually superb. Okay, so Revlon, a lot of the makeup over at Walgreens is on clearance. So I found two. My store was really ripped through, like there wasn't much left. But these guys were $3.29 each. I used a $4 store register reward. I didn't have any digitals to go with that. I know there's some sort of goofy promotion of spend 10, get back 3, but I couldn't even find $10 of clearance makeup. Over on the IBOTTA app, they're giving $3 back for each eye cosmetic. So I'm going to get $6 back. And even though it says Meyer on the top, Walgreens is in fact one of the stores that's included. If you go below, see how it says Revlon Cosmetic at the top? Below, third store is Walgreens. So double, triple check. You have the same rebate as I. Looking at the math of what I did, I grabbed two of the clearance makeups for $6.58 and then photographed my receipt to the Ibotta app for $6 back. So it made it 58 cents for the two. And as I was not using a booster for this, I used a register reward. But if you also wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash, by all means, go for it. It should work. And just an opportunity to get some very inexpensive makeup. And I think for Revlon, it's up to $5 for both lip, eye, and then concealer like face makeup. So I would be on the lookout for that if you love inexpensive makeup. Next deal that we have is with the Oral-B or Crest products. Special tip of the hat to Dawn's deals. This is in fact her deal. So I grabbed exactly what she was saying, including a pressed Pro Health paste for $3. Sorry, I can't talk today. And then one of the toothbrushes. So both of these at $3 a pop. So that is $6. And these are the digital coupons that I used for this deal. A $2 for the paste and a $2 for the brush. Okay, so the two oral care products is $6 on the nose. Subtracting that for two $2 coupons, you're paying $2 out of pocket and getting back two $4 register rewards, a store and a manufacturer. So it makes it a little $4 money maker pour vous. This is kind of a glitch, so they can pull this at any time. So I would head out ASAP if you can do this. Where are the register rewards? Why are you not showing this in this video? The machine was offline, or there was an issue with it at the store, so nothing was printing out of the register reward machine, or the Catalina machine. So the manager did this, did that, and at one point I'm like, whatever. So I just got $4 of points comped, yeah, so do this deal at your discretion. It's really fantastic. I've seen multiple influencers show their two register rewards. I unfortunately did not get any. Okay, so before we really dive into the deals without boosters, Walgreens Christmas clearance up to 80%. A lot of stores 70%. A lot of stores will also be packing it up today, the 15th. So if you wanted last minute gift wrap or whatever, a lot of stores seem really stocked still. If you want everything merry and Christmassy, I would head out there today. And then also yesterday, a very spirited conversation in the comments about the video I made, just about, some extended family members overreaching in your stockpile and just taking whatever. A lot of you have experience with this, and it really hit home. Some excellent examples and people really sharing. So read the comments of that video. It is really fantastic. Some of the info shared and how people, are generous with their stockpile, but with limits. Okay, the next deal that we're going to talk about is with the Scott toilet paper on promotion. Buy one, get one, 50% off. We have $2 digitals that showed up this morning, so make sure you have them loaded. Unfortunately, only one digital came off, but the coupons.com app has the exact same coupon, so I was able to apply for one of those dollars back. Grabbing two of them for $7.50, subtracting your two digitals, $5.50 for the two. I believe this is the best paper deal of the week. Hands down. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. It's an opportunity to get some very inexpensive toilet paper. And double, triple check your coupons.com app. If you have issues like me where digitals are not coming off, you can always make that application to the coupons.com app for the dollar back. If you really love these Dawn dish soaps, they are $1.29 this week, and they've been running this little promotion every other week, which I think is really spectacular. To buy two to get back a $1 register reward. have the choice between the apple scent or the original. I'm an original girl because I guess I'm quite boring. So grabbing 2 of these for $2.58, you're getting back $1 register reward, making it $1.58 for the 2 or 79 cents per. Again, you're doing this without a booster. Yes, you absolutely can use Walgreens cash to earn that register reward. Now, let's remember, too, that you can only do 2 per transaction. So say you wanted to grab 4, you'd have to break that up into 2 separate transactions, as the register reward will only print once per transaction. Please remember that. Another super deal this week is with the Palmolive. They're $2.99 a pop, and the promotion is to buy 2, get a $3 in Walgreens cash. We have a 50-cent digital that showed up this morning, so please make sure you have that loaded. And then if you scoot over to the coupons.com app, we also have the same 50-cent rebate when you buy 1 of these dish soaps. So this is a very simple deal, guys. Buying 2 of them, that would be $5.98. And if you want to mix and match your cents, absolutely go for it. So 2 of them is $5.98. Subtracting that 50-cent digital, you're paying $5.48, getting back $3 in Walgreens cash, making a submission to coupons.com for 50 cents, dropping it down to $1.98 for the 2 or 99 cents per Palmolive. And if you want to grab more than 2 because this is a Walgreens cash offer, yes, that's totally fine. So I grabbed 6 and got back $9. Hopefully that's clear as mud. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash, spend it to earn it. Another fantastic deal is with the All or Snuggle products that are priced at $3.99 this week. Sorry, I forgot this one in my Walgreens preview. I guess I was doing something else in my brain. We have this digital coupon, which is $1.50 off, so it makes these really cheap. I like the all packs. It's my husband's favorite. So grabbing one of these at $3.99, subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $2.49 for a bag of pods that are usually like $7.49, so that's $5 of savings. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to get these pods on the cheap. Another superb deal is with the foil, priced 2 for $2, so $1 for 25 square feet or whatever it is of foil. That is a really good price point for this foil. And if you're a home cook, you can see the value right here. Now, I know that a lot of you got the same booster as I, which is $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend $50. I was at Walgreens doing a lot of Christmas clearance last week, and this guy printed out of the Catalina machine. So I stacked 1 digital and 1 paper, and yes, it did in fact work. To show you my haul, here it is. I grabbed 6 Palmolives, 2 Dawns, 2 clearance makeups, 2 $3 each Oral-B Crest, 1 Tide for $12.99, and 4 of the foils. I'm sorry, one's not pictured. It's in the back of my car being stupid somewhere. Okay, so the one thing I didn't talk about is this, which is the Tide for $12.99, and we have a $3 digital coupon. I just wanted some cheap Tide in this mix, so that's why I threw it in. And please make sure that your digital coupon's coming off. I had issues with that today. I had a lot of issues, but thankfully the really nice manager helped me out. Looking at the math for this basket, 2 of the Revlon clearance at $6.58, 2 of the Crest Oral-B for $6, 4 foils for $4, 6 Palmolives for $17.94, and 2 Dawns for $2.58, 1 Tide for $12.99 for a total of $50.09. You gotta watch that math. Get the cashier to scan your booster, 9 back when you spend $40, and have your booster loaded. I also had $7.50 in digital manufacturer coupons coming off, paying $42.59 with my debit card. I got back $28 in Walgreens cash, 9 for Palmolive, 19 for the 2 boosters, and then theoretically the 4 register rewards for the Colgate and the $1 for the Palmolive. That would be $9 back in register rewards, making that $3 submission to IBOTTA. That's $6 back, plus another 50-cent submission to the coupons.com app for that 1 Palmolive. Haul free plus a 91-cent money maker. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down this balance, as you're using 2 different boosters and it will mess everything up. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.